Hey, yo, what's poppin'? Uh, uh, um, so this is part 2. Right now we're in Tennessee, in a hotel, and it is right now 9:06. And, so I've been coloring and stuff. I've been working on, this is my first one. And then right now I'm working on, if I can get it. Right now I'm working on this one. And this is my dog Frank. And this is Dave, sleeping right now. So yeah. Ow. Today has been fun but boring at the same time. My dad hooked up my Xbox on the TV, and I got into the internet. So right now, after this video, I am playing some Battlefield and that stuff. So yeah, and Mom, what are we doing tomorrow? We don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but when are we leaving the cabin?
Monday.
Monday, we will be going to a cabin 5 hours away from here. 3 hours away from here. And then that stuff is happening. So, really lots of stuff is happening. And nothing really. What?
Just waiting.
Yeah. We're just waiting, doing nothing, hanging out, stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow and that stuff.
Peace.